Namaste traders. Namaste. Fucking namaste, Jesus. So what's up, guys? Yesterday I done something a bit scary. I put my dick on the line for Bitcoin on Twitter. Bitcoin bounces here, blue line. I cut my dick off at 10,181, and then I was just praying for my dick when you run below that. And then we've just held this area and we just bounced perfectly, and now we're on our way up. And you may be thinking why, and you hear me talk about Quasimodos all the time, but look, we had these swing lows down here, and we just briefly ducked below it. But then when you have a swing low like this, and you Quasimodo, so for example, a Quasimodo is when you move make a lower low, and you just have a sharp move that just takes out that previous swing high. So as you can see, look how sharp that is, and you just Quasimodoed perfectly to that level, and then that was the area where we just bounced from. So put my dick on the line, and Bitcoin done me a favour. Bitcoin done me a favour there, so I can still piss, which is fantastic. So my resistance points now. Look, another Quasimodo here. You got a low, and then you made a higher low, a higher high, higher low, higher high, and then you just crush through that, taking out that swing low point. So that's an area of resistance for me as well. Now the Quasimodo there. So I'm looking for a short at this area, but I'll be looking on lower time frames, and if not, we'll get back up to this area here. You can't really see it perfectly because I've got the line chart on, but obviously look, it held a support and it just gave in there. So my two areas of resistance will be the 11,733 area, and then up to this point here to 12. Obviously looking at the weekly chart, bada boom, bada bing. I'm just gonna leave the line there, stuck below it, bearish until we get over that line. Sorry, but unless you get over that higher time frame, you see these wicks where it's just been trying, and people still try to long here. It just don't make any sense to me unless you're looking for quick day trades up to this area. But until we get over this area, I'm not willing to long into higher time frame resistance. That's just a rule, and I'll always stick to that rule because it is fucking dumb as fuck. What do I want to talk to you about? Euro to Australian dollar. Right, notice these swing points. Daily swing, daily swing, daily swing. Broke above, flush below, Quasimodo. But I want to show you on the 1 hour here areas when price dips below these swing low points. You can take them for quick trades. And as you can see here on the hourly, this was the swing low point right around here, and we dipped below it, and then we got back above it. Now what I actually saw here was this area. As you can see, price was making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and then you started to make lower lows and lower highs. So you've come down, you've bounced to a lower high, and then the lower low, and then would you have a sharp move that takes out that high, it takes out these highs as well. So a Quasimodo at this area, and where do we retrace to? The swing low point. So after you've taken out these stops here, or just broken below that previous swing low on the daily, right around here, you've dipped below it. And then you've come and reclaimed that level, and then you've also got a Quasimodo at that level, so that's extra strong. And where did it bounce to? Look, perfectly to a T. And where do you put your stops? Your stops would be below the low around this area here, and then you just make targets. So we're aiming for there. And then we'll be aiming for higher, but obviously it's just turned round. You've got this Quasimodo right around here, as you can see. It's fucking Quasimodos everywhere these days. But when you match them up to higher time frame levels or support and resistance, so we've got this really good run. And obviously looking at this, if that was your entry, fuck, that was your stop below the low. You're getting really good trades here, 6.4 risk to reward. So they're the trades I like to take. They're the trades we like to take in the group. Continuation setups, just looking for liquidity really. And then Quasimodos, match them up to the Quasimodo reclaim. If you want to learn more, you can always join the group, acxtrades.com. You can sign up there. There's a video series and there's a Discord group. Some really cool guys in it at the moment. And everyone's picking it up super fast. So it's gone better than expected, to be honest. But as you can see, look, another Quasimodo here, matching up to this level. You've got the swing higher point, you just break down below, you've closed below it. So what you want to see is you want to close. Oh shit. So a Quasimodo, don't put it on the line chart like that, but you can see, look, the price actually closes below the wick here. I've seen people draw the Quasimodos from the body of the candle. That's not correct. You want to see it close below. If it just wicks below, that could just be a stop run. Like what we've just done and showed you on the daily chart there. It could just be a stop run and then a continuation higher. So you want to see price actually close below it to actually change the market structure, and you can see it just bounces up into this area again here, nearly to the pip, or you like 1 pip off really, and then you put a stop above and target back down to the lows. So that was the euro to Australian dollar, and that was Bitcoin as well, guys. If you want to learn more, acxtrades.com. Yeah, that's it, amigos. Take care.